Guangdong, China, June 14, 2025. Chinese people were terrified when Typhoon No. 1 Wutip, also known as Typhoon Butterfly, made its second attack on the country, centered on Guangdong and Guangxi provinces with terrible force, forcing nearly 15,000 people to evacuate urgently. Not only that, it also overturned container trucks on the road, and the storm also blew away people's water tanks as light as blowing paper. Previously, Typhoon Wutip devastated the country's Hainan Island, making tourists no longer recognize this as China's most famous tourist paradise. Typhoon Wutip, the first typhoon of the year, made landfall again on the west coast of Leizhou City, Guangdong Province at 12:30 noon on June 14, 2025. The typhoon became a strong tropical storm when it made landfall, with peak winds near the eye reaching force 13. At 3 p.m., Typhoon Wutip weakened to a tropical storm in Suishi County, Guangdong Province. At 5 p.m., the eye of the typhoon was located in Linjiang City, Guangdong Province, at latitude 21.7 degrees north and longitude 110.2 degrees east, with peak winds reaching force 12. Typhoon Wutip is expected to move northeast at a speed of about 25 kilometers per hour and gradually weaken. According to Hainan Islanders, Typhoon Wutip is more destructive than Typhoon Makara in 2024. The typhoon has left devastation and chaos everywhere on the island. Thousands of trees were broken. Hundreds of fishing boats were submerged. Many areas of roads, electricity, water and internet were destroyed. Mountainous areas were eroded, making it difficult for vehicles to travel. Thousands of hectares of crops of islanders were destroyed by the storm. Houses in some places were collapsed or severely damaged. According to the China Central Meteorological Observatory, from 2 p.m. on June 14 to 2 p.m. on June 15, heavy to very heavy rain will occur in central and southern China, central and eastern Jiangnan and other places, among which some areas in eastern Guangxi and western Guangdong will have torrential rain of 250 to 300 millimeters. The eastern Jianghan, western Jianghuai, northeastern China, central and eastern Inner Mongolia, western and southern Liaoning, southern Sichuan, northern Yunnan and other places will experience torrential rain, hail and strong winds. On June 13, 2025, the Chinese government issued an emergency notice, requiring all people and all agencies to follow the following instructions. Ships operating on the water and ships passing through relevant waters must return to port to avoid the wind. Reinforce port facilities to prevent ships from breaking anchor, running aground and colliding. Stop outdoor mass gatherings and dangerous outdoor activities such as high-altitude activities. Reinforce or dismantle structures that are susceptible to being blown away by the wind. The Chinese government requires people not to go out at will and to stay as safe as possible to avoid the wind. Make sure the elderly and children are in the safest place in the house. And those in dangerous houses should be evacuated in time. When the eye of the typhoon passes, the wind will weaken or stop for a period of time. Remember that strong winds will suddenly blow, so you should continue to stay in a safe place to avoid the wind. And those in dangerous houses should be evacuated in time. Relevant areas should pay attention to preventing flash floods, geological disasters that may occur due to heavy rain.
树都倒了，哎呦，都动我了啊！三亚台风这里啊，来了，来。
Also related to the floods and heavy rains in this country. In Taiyuan City, Shaanxi Province, China, on the afternoon of June 14, 2025, many netizens posted information about strong winds. Hail suddenly falling in many places in Taiyuan, Shaanxi Province. The impact of the storm was quite large, from fallen trees to blown-off roofs. Netizens said that, the time of the storm, hail occurred in different places and lasted for about half an hour. A netizen in Taiyuan said that strong winds and hail suddenly fell at 5 p.m. According to the video provided by this person, the diameter of the hail was the size of a fingertip, but white ice had already accumulated on the ground. Another netizen in the Taiyuan area said that, the hail started falling at around 4:30 p.m., followed by heavy rain and strong winds. Taiyuan Meteorological Observatory issued a blue warning signal for thunderstorms, strong winds at 1 p.m. on June 14. It is forecasted that, from 2 p.m. on June 14 to 2 p.m. on June 15, some areas in central and southern Shaanxi will have thunderstorms of level 11 or higher, with maximum winds of level 12 or higher, with hourly rainfall of more than 50 millimeters and maximum rainfall of up to 80 millimeters.